Let's take a look at the chart action for Luna. All right, so here's what we're looking at. We're on the 4-hour time frame right now, and we have support right here. We have support right here, and we have support right here. Let's draw a trend line going to the upside, something like this. So until we break this trend line going to the downside, I'm going to assume that it's going to push us up, and we can look for previous resistance levels, maybe one right here and maybe one right here. The first one is sitting around 79.83 and the second one is sitting around 93.21. There's also a level up here at around 101. So I don't know, in general, let's see how far we can keep this momentum going before we can break this going to the downside. I think if we zoom out, we have to be kind of skeptical about what's going on because we have resistance right here, resistance right here. I'm on the daily time frame right now, and let's watch this trend line, something like this. So until we break this bigger downtrend going to the upside, then I'm going to, I don't know, be kind of skeptical on what's going on. Like I've been talking about on my other charts, I'm kind of assuming that we're going to get some volatility right now. I don't know if we're going to be able to break through this trend line going to the upside in general, but I think once we do, then that will be a very bullish signal. Also, we have this 9 moving average that kind of lines up around that similar area. If we delete everything, we have the 9 moving average right here. This is on the daily time frame, so it's pretty significant. As you can see, when we break the 9 moving average, we get a nice little run up. When we break below it, we start getting resistance on it and start kind of going down. So in general, I think I'm looking at this bigger downtrend on the daily time frame, but on the 4-hour time frame, we have this little triangle pattern, or we have this little uptrend right here. So yeah, let's see how far it can go up. Let's see if it could break this trend line. And the 4-hour is a little bit different on these top ones. We can maybe adjust it a little bit, maybe do something like this. Maybe the 4-hour time frame is the one to watch. And I think if it continues to go up, the first target I'd probably be looking at is this level right here, sitting at around 79.70. Let's see what happens if it continues to go up, and when it comes to this level, I would really be watching this trend line for a breakout to the downside. Once that happens, then I'd maybe would take profit and maybe look to set up limit orders at these bottom supports, something like that. The bottom right here is sitting around 63.70 approximately, but it's possible it could go lower. We also have this previous support right here sitting at around 52.96, approximately $52, somewhere around there. Let's zoom in and see exactly where this dipped down to right here, because it came down, found support, and then it bounced up. So the wick down here is sitting at around 51.93, and then the body right here is sitting around 52.96. So those are another 2 levels if it continues to head down. But for right now, like I said, we are trending up, so that's pretty good. Let's see if we can break through right here, but I'd be kind of skeptical until we do. I'd maybe kind of think that this might give us some rejection and we might kind of fall down. Like I said, the target is around 79, 50, 48, somewhere around there. Let me know what your guys' targets or analysis is. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to support the channel, you can send me Dogecoin or you can join my Patreon. If you're new to technical analysis and wondering where to get started, check out this playlist right here. It's an intro to trading view and it'll help you get started with following along with the videos. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.